Hey, what is going on? The Printer Guy here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to install the print heads on the HP SmartTank 6001. Really quickly before we get into those instructions, I'm going to be leaving a link down in the description below for some third-party ink. This is going to be a lot less expensive than your standard HP ink, linked down in the description below. Alright, so the first thing we need to do is we need to take our print heads and make sure that they are totally free of any of the tape or plastic or any coverings that they may have. We're going to make sure that they're ready to install. If this video ends up being helpful, please make sure to like. Any questions at all, comment below. And if you want more content like this, please make sure to subscribe. There's going to be a notch on the side of the printer to lift up the top of the printer, not the scanner. It's one level below that. These are your ink supply lines. This ensures that there is actually ink flowing to the print heads. And you're going to click on the blue tab that is on the front of the print head carriage. There's going to be an orange piece that is already in here. That is just a placeholder. You're going to remove that, put that in the trash. And now we're going to take our first print head. It's a color print head. We're going to hold it just like this. And we're going to make sure, again, that there's no tape or anything on there before installing, because if there is, it could block the connection that the printhead would have with the printhead carriage. So we're going to place it right down in there, facing the way where you would have the connector on the printhead connecting onto the printhead carriage. Now that I have the color printhead installed, I'm going to now install the black printhead. Same thing with this. Make sure that that connecting piece on the front of the printhead is totally clear and that there's nothing blocking anything on this printhead, because once we install it, there needs to be ink that flows directly in and is able to print out of these printheads. So you're going to take this printhead facing this way and you're going to push it straight down in there. You're then going to close the printhead carriage and make sure that it is totally locked in position. You can click it down in place and then click on that gray tab, and that should ensure that it is totally locked in place and ready to print. Right, so the next thing you want to do is print off an alignment page, and then you're going to want to scan that alignment page. That will ensure that the print heads are totally aligned and you can now begin printing normally. Hopefully this video was helpful. If it was, please make sure to like. Any questions at all, comment below. And if you want more content like this, please make sure to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching until the end of this video. I handpicked 2 videos that are here on the screen for you to watch next. Also consider subscribing to this channel. There's so much helpful content for you if you're a printer owner, and it's just good to have a resource like this for you in the future, whether you're dealing with a printer that's not printing well or you need more printer recommendations. So I look forward to seeing you again in another video.